To create an integration, go to My Environments, search for an environment and hover over it. Then, click Settings on the right-hand side. Go to the Integration tab and click Create Integration. Give your integration a name and a description, and click the Create Integration button. On the right, you'll see a side panel with two tabs, General and Permissions. On the General tab, you'll be able to edit its name and description, view and copy your client ID and secret, rotate your client secret, and delete the integration. At the bottom, you'll find links to both Environment API and Platform API documentation. On the Permissions tab, you'll be able to set both general and output permissions. All you need to do is check boxes to give it read, list, and write permissions, and allow static and/or animated output. When you're done, just close the panel and click the arrow on the left-hand side to go back to My Environments.